Meaning of Daphne du Maurier.
Daphne du Maurier.
Daphne du Maurier.
Daphne du Maurier.
Daphne du Maurier. Daphne du Maurier was a British author and playwright, known for her Gothic and romantic fiction. She was born in 1907 and died in 1989. Some of her most famous works include Rebecca, Jamaica Inn, and The Birds. Du Maurier's writing often explored themes of identity, love, betrayal, and the dark side of human nature. Her work has been adapted into numerous films, TV shows, and plays, and she is considered one of the most important writers of the 20th century.